This will be part 2 of a video I did called Handsome Privileges. And just to give you a recap as to what I'm going to go into, because I'm going to expound on that video where you can go back and find it. But it's basically stating that some men, honestly, because they're not conventionally handsome, they will never experience true attention or true attraction from a woman, right? Without having to first dangle something in front of them, be it money, status, etc. As one of my mutuals so rightfully said in that comment section. This is me expounding on it by saying some of those men rather then tend to grow up or become successful, and because that's all the type of attention they have gotten from a woman, as in the ones that want something from them in return for their attention, they have convinced themselves that that's the only type of attention that they can give, that they can get rather. Then they will go out into wider society and convince other young men of the same. And even when those young men are saying, hey, but no, I have dealt with women that are not like that, they would actually go so far as to say, nah, they're just simply waiting for you to get where they want you to get there. Investing early, as one would say. And here is my thing. Women want a man that can provide. Nothing is wrong with that. It's in their DNA, just like how you want an attractive woman to reproduce with. It's in their DNA, it's in their makeup. Nothing is wrong with that, right? However, you have to understand, you have to be able to discern, you have to use discernment to be able to pick out the ones who want you for you and the ones that want you for what you have. Looks isn't everything, and as much as though I said in the earlier video that, hey, some men, because they're not handsome, have never gotten true attention or true attraction from a woman. The thing is though, you can work on other things. You may have bad hygiene. You can't be walking on bad hygiene. Change that. Colognes are relatively cheap nowadays, to be honest with you. Ensure that you're taking proper showers. Ensure that you're cleaning areas that you may not have cleaned before. Ensure that you're flossing and keeping your mouth clean. Ensure that you have a sense of humor. Ensure that you intellectually can have a conversation. These are things you can work on to become a better you, so you can attract a better person. And you yourself need to learn to look beyond the looks. Yes, it might sound funny, but some men who are not conventionally attractive tend to themselves want someone who is attractive. Be it, I see here some made the argument that, hey, they want to ensure that their child gets good genes. Thing is, you're doing the same thing that you're angry at women for doing. You're looking at only the looks. What about the qualities? Is this the type of woman you want to reproduce with, etc., etc.? So work on yourself. Be the best version of you, so you can get the best version of another person. But yeah, these are just my thoughts, all yours.